is the hardest part, to organize this every single time I face. That's why I don't buy more than 2 to 3 products, because organizing is such a big task now. So I have bought really less things, 2 to 3 days max. Those are the things that I used to buy. I will not hold things, because I've had very bad experiences holding a lot of vegetables, lot of things, and end up using nothing. I have done it more than quite a few times. So I always pick up things that I need for only staples are always there, coffee powder, and then these kind of papad, and these kind of things I used to buy a lot. But veggies and fruits I will not buy. So today I'm gonna do what shall we cook today? Actually, I have planned something for this weather out there. We can make some Vathal Kuzhambu with these turkey berries. It's called as Sundaka Vathal Kuzhambu. If you are a South Indian and in your household, this will be a very you might know this. These are turkey berries, and for this weather it will be so good when you have it with papad, preferably smoked papad, but I'm gonna fry the papad. And then I bought some guava, and then I used to make raita with this. This will be so good. I will try to share the recipe, because it's the first time I'm taking a vlog of something which I'm gonna cook. I don't know, there's no one to help me out. I have to cook and I have to vlog. Let me see, but I will definitely one day share this recipe. This will be so good. This is called as varapu, the banana flower. The raita will be excellent. I'm so addicted to this actually nowadays, but I will buy only if this is peeled and kept. Otherwise, because it's a tedious, it's a labor intensive process to peel the why am I blabbering? To peel the banana flower. Okay, and then my baby potatoes. I love this. This is something we do every week. Once we used to do, and then I bought some broccoli as well. But today we are going to make only this with this, and then some cauliflower, and then some papad. That's what I've planned today. And of course some oil, and this is what I bought. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, I have pre-prepared everything. I think pre-preparation is what is making the kitchen very tough. So if that is done, most of the cooking is done. So I have pre-prepared cauliflower, and then tomatoes for rasam, and this is for raita, and this is for Vathal Kuzhambu, and this is the tamarind pulp. So 50% of the work is done, and then half an hour in the kitchen, we are done with the cooking. This is my Sundaka Vathal Kuzhambu, and I have a very separate nostalgia for this. Okay, my party says this: if there's not a layer of oil that is just on the top of Vathal Kuzhambu, then it's not Vathal Kuzhambu. Okay, so this is how it looks like, full of oil. Oh, I'm so hungry, but I'm going to finish it. Okay, but this is my Sundaka Vathal Kuzhambu. early afternoon nap is the best. I mean, the best is without you knowing you waking up in the morning or the evening, like on the night. Today is one such day. When I woke up, I was like, oh, this is morning or night. It's the best. So, yeah, I just now I woke up. I have to make myself a chai, and I'm so hungry. I have to get something to eat first. And then my house is a mess. I have to clear that up. Where should I see? Actually, I have to see here. To clear that up, and then I have some work to do. I have to in the laptop. I have to do that, and after that, my sister is coming here. We're going out somewhere here nearby. She said just to get some things, so that's all the plan. I don't use any cleanser now. I'm not using any cleanser now. After just simply washing my face with water, I'm just gonna put this. This is so refreshing and it's so good. This toner, it's made with 5 floral waters. So just oh my god. Okay. So it just gives a very nice floral burst. Don't wipe this one. I mean, I'm not wiping this one. Okay. Let's make a chai now. So now I'm gonna make some chai for myself. Everything is a mess. If I turn around the camera, everything is a mess, which I'm going to show you obviously. That's how it is. So I'm not pat drying the face. It's like it will dry by itself. See the mess. See the mess. See the mess. See the mess. Can you see it? Oh my god. Okay. I'll clear it now in a minute. So obviously I cannot make the chai with my phone on one hand. So I'll come back. Finally got rid of everything. Now I can calmly work. But kitchen is a mess. I'm gonna try it and clean it by the end of the day because seriously I have some work now. Okay, just now got with housework, everything is done, so I sat down to wrap up some work in my laptop. For people who do not know, I also do a little bit of freelancing, not very big freelancer, but I do a little bit of freelancing work as well. Also, please let me know if you want to know how did I start my freelancing journey, the hurdles that I faced, because I'm already in a job of a proper corporate job, and then I'm doing freelancing in the side a little bit. So I face a lot of issues. Maybe let me know if you really want to if I really want to make a video on it. If it would be helpful, I'll be glad. I'll be able to make it for you guys very gladly. So I have some work to wrap it up, and then after like 25 minutes, then it's gonna be Netflix. Yeah, it's gonna be Netflix. And also I don't watch Netflix often. I'm not a very Netflix person. I watch only very certain series or movies that really make some impact. Otherwise I don't impact. I use my sister's account. I don't have a Netflix account. Okay, she's a serious. So just my cut time with some of my work. By the way, it's not freelancing work; it's some other work. And I'm on Netflix show now. If you guys follow a baker on Instagram, he's a pastry chef. His name I don't know to pronounce because it's a French name, and he is an expert in elusive pastry, if I'm not wrong. Like He makes pencils. He makes real big things in pastries, like a Saranya chocolate pastry. It'll be very good to watch rather than to eat. You don't want to eat, like you want to just keep watching it. So I'll put his name somewhere here. I don't know pronounce it. It's a proper French name. So I'm gonna watch that show now. It's called as that's why I said I really don't Netflix a lot. I Netflix when I want to really see something. I'm not a very avid Netflix person. I don't really watch a lot of shows. For example, I watch Piku a lot of times. I don't mind watching the same thing again and again, but it should have some kind of impact, or I should be fantasized by something, otherwise I don't watch. And I'm not a K-drama fan also. I'm confessing here, my sister is a K-drama fan, and I use her account. I don't have a Netflix account. So the Netflix name is School of Chocolate. Go and watch it. You will love it. I'm gonna watch it.
Wow. Oh my god. Wow, wow. It's so sparkly. How do you think he made this rocks?
That whole thing is chocolate? Everything's chocolate. It's all chocolate.
This is insane.
Dude, look at the details.
बचपन छूट रहा है मैं खुश भी हूँ उदास के नदियाँ में जैसे नाच सके मैं क्या करूँ मेरी मेरी पिया वहाँ मैं मेरी पिया वहाँ